Okay, welcome friends. We want to start building the daily expense record table using Microsoft Excel. So the first thing we'll do will be to create the column headings. Then we'll have the month, the date, transaction description, category, payment method, and amount as the column headings. Okay, the next thing I will do will be to type all the months from January to December. Okay, the next thing I'll do will be to insert rows so that each month will have at least 3 to 4 rows. It all depends on the number of transactions. You can insert as many as you want. So in this experiment, we'll just stay with 3 to 4 rows for each of the months. So this is where all the daily transactions for each month will be recorded. So you can add as many rows as possible depending on the number of transactions that you have per month. You can insert any row at any particular point in time if the ones you have are exhausted. Okay, that's completed. So I will copy and paste the names of the months in each of the new rows that I have just inserted. So I'll just copy and paste in each of the cells for the months. So the next thing I will do will be to format the date cell. So I want to choose the format for date. So then I will now replicate it to all the other cells under date by dragging down the first cell under date. Same thing to I'll format the amount cell. I'll go to currency, then I'll choose Nigeria currency Naira. I'll click OK. Then I'll drag down the box so that all the cells under amount will be formatted in the same way. So that's done. So what I now want is that all the amount, all the entry under each of the months will have a subtotal. So I want to insert the subtotal section so that, as you can see now, all the months now have their totals, and at the bottom you have the grand total, which is showing here. So that will add up everything and bring to the total. Then I will format the table header. I want it all bold. Then I'm going to insert 2 new cells. That's what I will use to create my table heading, which will be daily expense record. So I'll make it big so that it will cover up the space that we have there. So the next thing I'm going to do will be to freeze the column heading. So I'll click on that. I'll go to view, then I'll click on freeze pens, then I'll tell it to freeze the first column. That's done, so that will scatter as we're moving around. Then I will also do other formatting. So I'm going to January total, and I want it to have a bottom double border. So that it will differentiate the details of the month with their totals. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do to format the entire table so that it will look nice to the eye, give it a good aesthetic look. Sorry about that. Going back, make sure the entire table columns are selected. Then click on format as table, then choose any design that you want. So that's done. So I'm going to test this, my daily expense table, by inserting some records. Let's see how it's going to add up and how it's going to give us the grand total. payment method ATM, second one cash, and the next one cash. So type in some amount. So you can see that the January total is summing up everything under January. You'll go straight to November and do the same thing for November. You can see the grand total is appearing there. So you notice as I'm adding the prices, the grand total is changing as we're going on. So that's the essence of all this. So all the cells have been formatted. So with this, any business person can use this to keep record of all the daily transactions, all the expenses that goes on within the business profile. So that's basically how it works. So with Microsoft Excel, you can do all this, and that's easy. Thank you.